This is a review of the Vinchef Nonstick Fry Pan. This is an anti-scratch resistant 9.5 inch. Underneath is a cast material aluminum design that's underneath it, which I'll show you guys in a second. And without going further, I'm going to be explaining a few things about this Vinchef Nonstick Fry Pan. So I've been using this, this fry pan for quite a long time, and so far it's been going great. And one thing I do want to mention is that I use this for my every single day. So pretty much when I have to cook omelets, eggs, pretty much all the things, the necessary things that one needs to cook in their daily life. Eggs, bread, pretty much you could cook pretty much even fries as well too on this. And so far everything's been going perfectly since this is a non-stick fry pan. It goes very smooth for underneath of it, which I'll be showing you guys what it is underneath. So underneath is like aluminum design, which is right over here. So when I flip this down, you can see it's aluminum right over here, really high quality. One thing I do want to mention is that when you pick it up, you can tell it really is high quality. It has a good weight to it too. And one thing I love about it is that it's aluminum, the wood design by the handlebar you can see here looks really, beautiful right over here. And I love how the metal aluminum cast finishes on the bottom of here too, that you can tell that it is a non-stick fry pan. Then right over here, I love the white color finish it has, and so far the color, it really stands out. And I've been using this for quite a while now, and it hasn't diminished or anything like that. It's been good high quality. The color on the top really is going very well as of right now. And yeah, I would definitely recommend the Vinchef Nonstick Fry Pan because of the fact that it's doing a great job. And pretty much I'd use it for my every single day for pretty much for cooking omelets, eggs, pretty much everything that you need to cook on the gas stove. This thing really does the job. It's a non-stick, like I mentioned before. The aluminum design is really beautiful too on the bottom. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this fry pan if you're looking for a new fry pan for your kitchen. Then this fry pan from Vinchef is probably one of the best non-stick fry pans you could get, and I would definitely recommend this product.